everyone. Today we are looking at the next method of the solution of a differential equation. इस टाइप में हम लोग एक्चुअली एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप के डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस का सोल्यूशन ढूंढ सकते हैं. ये जो टाइप है इनको हम बुलाते हैं एज होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस. ओके, सो अब एक होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन क्या होता है? इट इज अ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑफ द टाइप f of xy, मतलब some function of x and y into dx plus some function of x and y, that is g of xy dy. This is said to be a homogeneous differential equation if ये f of xy and g of xy ये homogeneous functions है of the same degree. Basically ये जो f of xy and g of xy इनका अगर हम डिग्री देखें तो वो सेम है. ठीक है, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक्स क्यूब वाई क्यूब दोनों का 3 है डिग्री. ठीक है, दैट इज वाई इट इज अ होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. यहाँ पे इफ यू सी एक्स स्क्वायर वाई तो यहाँ पे 2 और यहाँ पे 1 तो ऐड करके 3 हो जाएगा एंड यहाँ पे 8 वाई क्यूब. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो होमोजेनियस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. तो ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को रिकग्नाइज करना है बाय चेकिंग व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ द थिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ dx एंड व्हाट इज द डिग्री ऑफ द थिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ dy. ओके, यहाँ पे ऐसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए हम लोग को एक सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना पड़ता है दैट y इज इक्वल टू tx. ठीक है, ये सब्स्टिट्यूशन कैसे हेल्प करता है आई विल शो इट टू यू इन सम टाइम, बट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दैट दिस इज द सब्स्टिट्यूशन. ऑल्सो समटाइम्स हमारे पास ऐसा कुछ भी होता है जिसमें कुछ ऑड लुकिंग होता है. ठीक है, तो वहां पे भी हम लोग ऐसे ही टाइप का एक सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर देते हैं. ओके, so let us look at two questions. The first question is जिसमें homogeneous equation नहीं दिखता है, वो थोड़ा सा कुछ अलग सा दिखता है, तो हम लोग उसमें substitution करेंगे. और फिर second वाले में you will clearly be able to see कि वो homogeneous है, तो उस हिसाब से हम substitution करेंगे. ठीक है, so let's do the first one. In the first solved example, we are given that 1 plus 2 e raised to x divided by y dx plus 2 e raised to x divided by y into 1 minus x by y dy is equal to 0. यहाँ पे if you see, you would know कि x by y that is the odd thing, right? तो इसको ही हमें substitute करना चाहिए. But we won't substitute x by y is equal to t. What I will do instead is I will use the substitution that I had mentioned before, that y is equal to tx. Now, if I would have put x by y as t, it is possible to solve it. ऐसा नहीं है कि it is not possible to solve it. But वहां पे मुझे करना पड़ेगा dx by dy. ठीक है? And because you all have not done that before, I am not telling you that method. Okay? But you could have also done it by the method that x by y is equal to t. And then differentiate it throughout by y. Okay? Now here, what we will do is we will put that y is equal to t into x. Let us differentiate this throughout. So we get that dy by dx is equal to t and then x का derivative is 1 plus x ऐसे ही रखा तो dt by dx. Okay. Now what we will do is we will rearrange this to get dy by dx. So this is equal to 1 plus 2 e raised to x by y dx is equal to minus 2 e raised to x by y 1 minus x by y dy. Okay, and then let us divide dx on this side, इसको दूसरे साइड पे लेके जाते हैं. So we get dy by dx is equal to 1 plus 2 e raised to x by y divided by 2 e raised to x by y. इसको मैं रिवर्स कर देती हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ द माइनस साइन. x by y minus 1. Now we will make the substitution. So therefore this is equal to this part, so that is t plus x dt by dx is equal to, here this is 1 plus 2 e raised to, अभी y by x is actually t ना, तो this is 1 by t divided by 2 e raised to 1 by t, 1 by t minus 1. Okay, now what we do is we take this t to the other side. So therefore we get x dt by dx is equal to 1 plus 2 e raised to 1 by t divided by 2 e raised to 1 by t minus 1 minus t. Now इसको ऊपर लेके जाके मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. So we get that this is 1 plus 2 e raised to 1 by t minus t into 1 by t तो सिर्फ minus 1 रह जाता है and I would have this. So it would be 2 e raised to 1 by t and यहाँ पे I would have plus t 2 into e raised to 1 by t. This whole thing divided by the denominator. 2 e raised to 1 by t minus 1 and इसमें ये cancel हो जाता है. Okay, and this side we have x dt by dx. Now इसके बाद this side if you observe has only t and this side has x. So we take this dx and x to the other side. इसको हम इधर लेके आते हैं. So then we get 2 e raised to 1 by t minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2t e raised to 1 by t is equal to dx by x. Okay, and now let us integrate. So for integrating, what I will do is here we have to use a substitution method. तो denominator को substitute करेंगे तो I guess we will get the numerator. So let's do that first. And this is so easy. ये तो सिर्फ log है. So put 1 plus 2t e raised to 1 by t is equal to some other variable u. Then we get that 1 का डेरिवेटिव तो 0, this is 2. Then t अगर ऐसे ही रखते हैं तो फिर e raised to 1 by t into 1 by t का डेरिवेटिव that is minus 1 by t square plus e raised to 1 by t अगर ऐसे ही रखते हैं तो t का डेरिवेटिव is just 1. dt is equal to du. So I have to make sure this looks like this. तो इसके लिए e raised to 1 by t कॉमन ले लेते हैं. तो 2 e raised to 1 by t. Then I have over here ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So this will be minus 1 by t plus 1. तो we have actually got the negative over here is equal to du. ये उल्टा है ना बस. तो माइनस है उधर. तो हमारा ये इंटीग्रल क्या हो जाएगा? It will become minus integration of 1 by u du. Okay, and this side we have dx by x. So we have integration of minus 1 by u du is equal to dx by x. On integrating we get log on both sides. So this is log of minus log of mod u is equal to log of mod x. And because we have log everywhere, so like I've said before also, we put our constant also in log only. So now if I put everything to one side, then I get log of mod x plus log of mod u plus log of c is equal to 0. Or actually it might be better if I keep log c on this side only. So not 0, what I'll do is this is equal to log c. ठीक है, तो इस केस में अभी इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So we'll get x into u is equal to c after removing log. So now u के बदले first let me make the substitution in terms of t and फिर जहाँ पे t होगा वहां पे I will have to substitute in terms of x and y, right? So therefore पहले u का डाल देते हैं. So u is equal to 1 plus 2t e raised to 1 by t, ठीक है, and this is equal to c. And what was t? So we had put that y is equal to tx, मतलब t is equal to y by x. So wherever you have t, you have to substitute y by x. So therefore here we have x, then we have 1 plus 2 y by x e raised to, this will become x by y is equal to c. On opening we get that this is x plus 2y e raised to x by y is equal to c. Okay, and that is our answer. In the second question, we have x square plus y square into dx is equal to 2xy dy. यहाँ पे if you observe, इसका डिग्री तो 2 है और इसका डिग्री भी 1 plus 1 2 ही है, ठीक है. So this is a homogeneous equation. पहले मैं इसको dy by dx के फॉर्म में लिखती हूँ and then I will put y is equal to tx. Okay. That's the standard procedure. So this becomes dy by dx is equal to, तो हम लोग ने dx को इस साइड पे लिया तो ये ऊपर है, so it is x square plus y square divided by 2xy. Now you would think कि मैं डिवाइड करके भी तो कर सकते हैं ना इसको, लेकिन एक्चुअली ना इसको सेपरेट करना डिफिकल्ट होता है, इसमें वेरिएबल सेपरेशन होगा ही नहीं, इसलिए सब्स्टिट्यूशन से ही काम बनेगा. सो इसके लिए हम लोग क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं, दैट y is equal to tx. Again let's differentiate it with respect to x. So we get dy by dx is equal to t into 1 plus x into dt by dx. Okay, now let's put this here. So we get t plus x dt by dx is equal to, यहाँ पे x square तो ऐसे ही रहेगा, y square के बदले I will have t square x square डिवाइडेड बाय नीचे होगा 2x एंड y के बदले tx. ठीक है, यहाँ पे इफ यू ऑब्जर्व हर जगह पे x स्क्वायर बाहर आ रहा है, दैट इज बिकॉज इट इज होमोजीनियस, तो उसको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. सो देन लेट मी राइट इट, x स्क्वायर 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 2x स्क्वायर इंटू t एंड दिस गेट्स कैंसिल्ड. नाउ वंस वी हैव कैंसिल्ड दिस, आई विल ऑल्सो टेक द t टू द अदर साइड सो दैट वो वेरिएबल सेपरेशन हो जाए. So x dt by dx is equal to 1 plus t square divided by 2t minus t. Okay, अभी इसको सबट्रैक्ट करते हैं. So we get 1 plus t square minus 2t square divided by 2t. This is x dt by dx. Now this is equal to 1 minus t square divided by 2t. Okay, is equal to x dt by dx. अभी now let us separate, इसको दूसरे साइड पे लेके जाना होगा, x dx को इस साइड पे ले आते हैं. So therefore we get that 2t divided by 1 minus t square dt is equal to dx divided by x. Now we will integrate on both sides. यहाँ पे तो substitution method will only work. So 1 minus t square को u डाल दिया तो minus 2t is equal to du and therefore यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक माइनस साइन लगना चाहिए. So this is integration of minus 1 by u du and here we have integration of dx by x. So on integrating we get here log of mod u is equal to log of mod x. Of course इधर मैं माइनस साइन लगाऊंगी, plus again log of c. This is exactly what we got in the last question. So I can take this to this side and ये log c को दूसरे साइड पे भेज दो, वो प्लस माइनस कुछ भी हो चलता है. तो therefore यहाँ पे we will get, I'm just writing it here only, we get that x into u is equal to c. After adding फिर multiply हो जाएगा, फिर log निकाल देंगे, u के बदले ये सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे और फिर t के बदले हम लोग y by x डालेंगे. So x into 1 minus t square is equal to c and now t is equal to y by x. So x into 1 minus y square by x square is equal to c and now we multiply throughout. So we get that this is equal to x into x square minus y square by x square is equal to c. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो नीचे सिर्फ एक x रहेगा जिसको मैं ऊपर ले जाऊंगी. So I get x square minus y square is c into x and that is my answer. Okay, so I hope you've understood the concept of substitution and homogeneous differential equations. Now in the next video we will solve exercise 8.4.